Welcome to the MartySites YouTube channel. If you're a tax consultant, then keep your eyes peeled on this video because today I'm going to be showing you how to use our platform to build a website for your business. Now, if you've just randomly come across this video today, you haven't even heard of MartySites yet. MartySites is the easiest way to create a simple website for your small business. You can literally launch your own website in less than 1 minute. It's super affordable. It's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. So make sure you click on the link below this video, sign up for the free trial, and give it a go. See how it works for you and your tax consultant business. Once you join the platform, the first thing it's going to ask you to do is to search for your market. We have hundreds of different markets to choose from for different small businesses, solopreneurs, and people with various side hustles. And we are adding more markets every single week. So I'm going to quickly make my way to the top and I'm going to search for my market. Tax consultant, there it is over there. I'm now going to go ahead and select that option. Awesome. Let's tell MartySites a few basic details about our business so I can generate a simple website for us. I'm going to go ahead and put in my company name and my city and my state's origin. It doesn't matter where in the world you're located, you can enjoy the MartySite service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Let's go ahead and change the type of business from restaurant to service and click on continue and let MartySites work its magic and create a website for us. Awesome. Look at that. MartySites has literally come up with a website for us in not even a minute. All I had to do was put in a few basic details. Let's take a closer look at what it's come up with together. Now, the beauty of MartySites is we've pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course, and we pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality, as you can see, and they're completely free to use. However, perhaps you've got your own images of your business and you want to display it on your website, maybe make one or two changes to that content that was pre-written to help you. You can do that. So today, that's exactly what I'm going to be showing you. I'm going to be walking my way through each section from the top to the bottom, giving you a little bit of a look and feel of how the service works and how simple it is to use the platform. You don't need to know coding, you don't need to be a web developer, and you certainly don't need to hire a web professional either to assist you with this. So let's get cracking. I'm quickly going to make my way to the top and click on the first section. Go ahead and put in my company email address as well as my phone number. I want to make sure this box is ticked to display my email address on my website. Let's go ahead and put in our phone number as well as our physical location. Awesome. The great thing about our physical location, that's if we have one that is, maybe you are a freelancer and you strictly mobile. When your customers click on that address, if you have one, it will automatically take them to Google Maps to get directions to your physical location. Let's head on over to update social links. Over here, you can put in the various social media platforms your business is active on. Icons will be displayed at the top as well as the bottom of your MartySites website so your customers can easily give you a follow, get some engagement going, and see what your business is up to. Let's head on over to update logo and go ahead and browse our device and upload our logo if we have one. If you don't have a logo and you don't have a huge budget for a logo, I recommend you check out canva.com. Logo has been uploaded, but I do want to crop it ever so slightly. So I'm going to click on that little pencil, crop my image, my logo, shall I say. You also have options to add filters, frames, decorate it, rotate it, zoom in, etc. Let's re-upload that as I've now cropped it. Excellent. Let's go ahead and click save once that upload is complete. We can make it bigger and smaller, but I think that sizing is just fine. So I'm going to go ahead and leave it. Now with MartySites as well, we've pre-selected the colors as well used for your website for you. Basically, we wanted to make it as easy as possible when it comes to launching a simple website for a tax consultant. If it doesn't quite go with your branding, and you want to change it, click on the little paint bucket on the bottom right hand corner. No color coding necessary. We've done all the hard work for you, and go ahead and select one of the colors. So I automatically like that one. That's also really fantastic. but I think I'm going to stick with this one. I can change it at a later stage. Let's head on over to update image. Now over here we can browse our device and upload our own images. Otherwise search through the photo library, hundreds of images to choose from. MartySites will automatically search for tax consultant, but you can search for different keywords. I'm going to go ahead and just search for tax. Excellent. So lots of suitable images here. I'm not entirely sure actually which one to use, but I think I'm just going to go ahead and select this one for now. I can change it later. Awesome. Let's go ahead and make sure that is saved. Let's check it out. Fantastic. That looks great. Let's head on over to update contents. Now over here you can change the title, subtitle, and the button currently says get in touch. Maybe you wanted to say something else. Let's go ahead and choose our link. Now you can link to another website. Maybe you offer a consultation booking third party app and you want to take online bookings, go ahead and put the URL here. Otherwise, link to an action like click to call directions or click to email. So I'm going to put it as click to email. Otherwise, you could upload a PDF file. So when your customers click on that button, it will automatically take them to a PDF file of your services or your rates or something along those lines. Pre-written content here, button can link to various places. Click on update section and work your magic. We've now made our way into the about us section. Over here, you can put a little bit more details of your business, how you got into the industry, how long you've been helping people with their taxes, how you run your business. Go ahead and put all the details over here. Maybe a great picture of yourself in this section. We've now made our way into the services section. Over here, you can put a little bit more detail of the different services you offer, that you offer your clients. Do you offer tax planning, tax prep, filing for individuals, corporations, partnerships, and other entities, budgeting, trusts, and gifts? Go ahead and put all the details under the services section of what you offer. Over here, we made our way into the last section, the lead form at the bottom. Over here, your customers can put their details in, message, click on send, and you will get notified via email that you have a query via this form. You'll also find all your leads over in your site dashboard, which I'm going to take you to in just a second. Now, if you have a custom domain for your business, click on connect your domain. So I already have a domain and go through the various steps in linking it. If you don't have a domain yet, you're in the startup process of your business, click on I want a new domain because you can purchase your domain via the MartySites platform. We recently have introduced the feature and we're super excited about it. Now, over here, we're in your Marty dashboard. Over here is where you can find the leads from that form at the bottom. I've just shown you when your customers reach out. I hope this tutorial was helpful in building a website for your tax consultant business. Really wishing you and your business mighty success. And if you have any suggestions or any features you'd like to see in future on our platform, do comment below and let us know. We'd absolutely love to hear your feedback.